In this video, I will show you how to create simple service invoice in Excel. So open Excel. Now here click on more templates. Then click on business. And here select simple service invoice. So just click on create. Now here make necessary changes like company name. So once you double click, you can enter your company name and make changes as your requirement. Like whatever you make changes here, it will change here in total. Like this. Here enter the bill to company name, street address, city, and email address, phone number. So this is the way guys you can create simple service invoice in Excel. Thanks for watching.